Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to prove that tan 70 equal to 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. So let's take the LHS part, left hand side, here writing tan 70. Now here we can break tan 70 into tan 50 plus 20. We can also break 40 plus 30, 60 plus 10, but add here on the right side it's all in 15 and 20, so that I break into the 50 and 20. Now you know that the formula called tan A plus B. The formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So here write tan A tan 50 plus tan 20 divided by 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20. Now here after I going to do the cross multiplication, so this will all term multiply with tan 70. So here tan 70 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20. Now here after tan 50 plus tan 20. So this will multiply. Now here tan 70 we can write minus tan 70 tan 50 tan 20, and here write tan 50 tan 20. Now tan 70 right, this tan 70 I'm going to break into tan 90 minus 20. So this 70 I break into 90 minus 20. Now here after write tan 50 tan 20. So tan 50 plus tan 20. Now here tan 70 again. So tan 90 minus theta, that come cot theta. So we can write cot 20 and write that tan 50 tan 20 and again tan 50 tan plus tan 20. Now here writing tan 70, so cot 20 we can write 1 by tan 20. Here tan 50 tan 20 and here tan 50 plus tan 20. This tan 20 cancel. Now here after we can write tan 70 minus tan 50, here tan 50 plus tan 20. So this 70 here, this I'm going to make that on the right. So tan 50 plus tan 50 plus tan 20. This is the minus on the right. If that moved, so minus change to plus. Tan 20 plus tan 20, that become 2 tan 50. Now write tan 20. So here this is our requirement finally I got. So tan 70 equal to 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. So it's proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.